Hi, it's Paul from Model Builder International. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and then the bell so you get notified of all the future videos, and that includes reviews, builds and the giveaways as well. So today we're going to have a look at a new decal sheet from DXM Decals. This one is a 1/48 F4EJ with a C camouflage. Okay, let's have a look, see what we get inside the bag. So obviously it's for F4EJ Kai Super Phantoms, 1/48 by DXM Decals. It's Japanese Air Self-Defense Force 8 Squadron with the interesting C camouflage. 4 different versions, printed by Cartograph, a couple of QR links to the DXM website and their Facebook page. And it's applicable to Academy, Eschi, Fujimi, Hasegawa, Italieri and Revell kits. So let's see what we get inside. Nice self-sealing bag. Take everything out pretty easily. And we get decal sheet and instruction sheet. So we've gone over the front already. So basically these are Phantoms that they used in the sea strike mission for a few years, basically waiting for the F-35 to turn up. 8 Squadron had these F4EJs, I think from 1997 to 2009, I believe. And they entered the ACM 2003. They entered a competition and won it. Apparently they were quite good at what they did. So inside here we have, basically that's where all the stencils go, and there's quite a lot of them. So top, bottom, starboard side, port side, part views as well. Colours at the bottom here called out, Gunsangyo, Humble and Federal Standard numbers as well as named. Just 4 colours you need. There's no, this for the stencils, don't see any variation, so basically everybody gets all the stencils. There's quite a lot of them. I think the numbers go up into the 225 I can see there, so there's a fair amount. On the back we have the port and starboard views, basically get the big decals into place. One aircraft from the all 8 Squadron Japanese Air Self-Defense Force from 2003, 2006, 2006 and 2002. Same camouflage scheme, different decals, but it's quite an unusual camouflage scheme. Basically just being dark blue and a medium blue. So that's pretty interesting. So let's have a look at the decal sheet. I'll put it up on the screen. As you can see, there are a lot of decals on here. There is heaps and heaps of small stencils. So it's going to take you a while to get them on there, but everything you might possibly need is here. Navigation lights as well, the low light panels that get fitted in various places. It's a minimal backing film, apart from where you'd expect it to hold things together that need sort of to be aligned together. They're done by Cartograph, and their Cartograph are basically synonymous with quality as far as decals go. So the decals look very nice, colours, everything lines up. There'll be a bigger image of it on the website if you want to have a close-up look. Same as there'll be images of the instructions as well. So the decals look very nice. So all in all, if you want to do an F4EJ, then it'll be an interesting decal scheme. unlike any of the others that you might see around. I'll put a link to the website underneath this video and to DXM's store. There's also be links and costs on the website as well, as well as images of everything and a bit more background. So many thanks to DXM for sending it along for us to have a look at.